I'm finna go to Decatur, y'all, because my charger is over there. My Dodge Charger is over there, and I got somebody that want to buy it. So I need to go over there, let him check it out, get a look at it, have a feel. That's that clean title right there, clean title. Today's been pretty cool so far, smooth day. I went to the gym, I woke up, I took some photos for some of the stuff that we got as far as the clothing or whatever. Just sent some photos off. And don't try this at home. I be mixing my cologne sometimes, but you gotta do two softs. You can't do a strong and a strong, you know. It won't work like that. But yeah, man. Another day. Another, you know what? Let's go. Let's go put some work in, man. Right now we about to go to Decatur, Georgia. And make some moves, you know. Somebody want to check on the cars, so my homegirl Nita just called me. How she gonna tell me to check my phone if she don't answer when I call?
Continue on I-285 south for 6 miles.
Yeah.
How you gonna tell me to check my phone and you don't answer when I call? What's up?
I didn't hear you call.
What's up?
I texted you.
What'd you say? I'm driving, I can't look right now.
Oh, I was saying I was gonna get the cars.
Okay, cause I got people who two people wanna come look at it right now.
I got you, but I'm getting it. I'm gonna get it. Like I got the money for it. I'm saying.
Like they ready to buy that shit right now. You know what I'm saying?
Who?
You're not gonna know them, but one of my boys.
Okay, and I am too.
Okay. I was just making sure you was like serious. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, no, I am. Like I wanted to. My mom wanted my brother-in-law to test drive it and stuff, but
yeah,
I'm gonna just get it or whatever. Like I know you ain't gonna sell me no lemon.
Bro, I'm not about to sell you no. I'm not about to sell you no bullshit.
I know, but I'm just saying like nobody. My mama don't know that. You know, they wanted to make sure the car was good and stuff.
Right. All right, call me back ASAP because I was headed to meet these dudes, but I can, put a stop to it.
All right. Now I'll send you the bread right now.
Just talk to your mom first and then call me back.
Hello. All right.
All right, bet.
Bye.
Boom, the car gone. Boom, I had 3 people interested. What's wrong with this one though?
Just the oil and fucking, the oil pan gasket seal, which was like $35, and I don't know if it's the radiator or the radiator hose.
Oh, so you can get this fixed. It's
yeah.
quick.
I'm just tired of putting money in it, but I'm about to put some more money in and do the same thing you just did.
Sell it?
Yep. Come on, bro.
Bro, stop playing, bro. This nigga playing, bro.
That nigga stopped. I'm like, hold on.
Let's do it. You want to push some more?
Nah, it should be good. Right
All right. I look like LeBron?
No the hell.
Nah, you told me that, man. I look like him, but I don't play like him. I wish I played like him. Man, y'all see how dirty this car is? I'm finna take it to get clean right now. Literally right now, I'm finna take this to get clean. It's stinking here. There's some spider webs in here.
All right, what's your telephone number? Give me the key.
843 330 9553.
9553.
Yes, sir.
D?
Yes, sir.
All right, D. It's about 10 minutes to 5. Be back before 6.
Yes, sir.
If not, I'm locking it up and you get it on Monday. $100 for everything.
Bro, you seen those earthquakes in Thailand, bro?
Earthquakes?
Yeah, bro. Buildings was falling and shit.
For real?
Yeah, that's crazy.
You cooking, I thought. I be seeing on your little vlog, you put the whole little Thanksgiving meal together, ain't it? Add some yams, bro. Add some mac and cheese.
Shorty made that shit.
Oh, you ain't?
But I got it. But you know,
Capping,
for
bro.
for the sake of the glitch, that I helped prepare, I helped do this, but then she put the love in it.
Okay.
You know.
How often you clean the whip though?
Every week.
How often you clean the whip?
Every week.
Every week.
Yeah.
Is this the day to clean for it to be clean?
Nah, normally Sunday, bro.
That flight ticket was free.
You gotta do it, bro.
Yes.
That pollen got all us out here trying to get our cars clean. Especially if you got a white car or a black car, that pollen is sticking out. I told you it was bad.
Work there ever since you been gone. I ain't stopped working.
I told you it was bad.
I mean, it got bad, man. We about got it though. I got to try you 2 times.
That's why y'all such a good company, because the boss going. They follow suit.
I need to call somebody else to do what I got to do.
Right.
Get coffee.
Yes, sir.
We got you.
I
Look,
appreciate you.
we're going to give you some paper mats to sit on. And then about an hour, them 6 should be dry.
Okay.
And all your mats going to be in the trunk too.
Got you.
Okay. You sit on them paper mats. Later on, you put your mats right down.
That takes care of it.
Yeah, we don't add tips.
All right, we need,
We don't add, I can't add nothing but $100.
you sure about that?
I'm positive. We don't add money for tips. Get him
I
next.
don't got no more cash.
How much cash you gave him?
I gave him 20.
Well, he's straight. And then he get a
Man, but the boss man need to.
Don't worry about that. Come on.
That's why he the boss. That's why he the boss, man.
You gave him the tip, y'all.
Money, hey, bro. Me and Money got a play for you too. Not a play, but actual like play for like side cash, right? So niggas always want drip, right?
Yeah.
Drip. Whether it's designer bags, clothes, shoes, gear, whatever, watch, nigga, whatever. Me and Money got like, well, I brought hella shit back from China with me, but it's like him, like Money will tell you, like, it's the shit, you know? And I was asking if you was plugged because, bro, we already know some young niggas that I got clients for, or Money got Markel for, so I got like this football player, you know, who we jugging to. And if we can show them that. Let me tell y'all something. This was my first ever vehicle that I bought for myself, this Dodge Charger. And I loved this car when I got it. I still do, you know? But today we letting it go. It got sold. It got sold. But it's going to a good person that we know, so I'm not really concerned. I mean, I saw it earlier. It was super yellow because of all that pollen, but it's back, man. Finally, man. This car is sold. I've been trying to sell it for what, 6 months now? A year? But it's gone, man. It's my baby, but we on to the next. We got the Audi still, of course. We got the Camry, and we got the Kia K5, you know, just for our rental car purposes. But this is finally gone. It's out of here. We can wish it goodbye. Don't hold on to stuff, man. Don't be too attached to stuff. Never be willing to invest in something or buy something that you can't walk away from with one decision. This is hard. Okay. Okay. But anyways, y'all check out the spot, man. I'm in Atlanta right now. And there's the light. I'm just moving in, so I don't really know what's up. But after staying in China for 14 months, I'm finally back at the crib here in America. And y'all check out the crib in Atlanta. Totally different than China. Check out the balcony. We got a little balcony out here. Good morning, my good neighbors. What movie is that from? If you know, you know. We got a long balcony over here. the kitchen. Obviously, you got the microwave. Obviously, you got the nice stove. Fridge. It's very spacious too. Totally different than China. I don't really got too much in there, but I've just been here for only what, 6 days I've been here, Money?
6 days, bro.
6 days I've been here.
6 days, bro.
Right. It's enough for me, you know? Spacious. Super spacious. I can't show y'all in here right now, but y'all see the crib, man. Oh yeah, the old school washer and dryer too. If you know, you know. Size in here somewhere. There it is. XL shirt for my boy. Money. You wanna be a part of the Wolfpack brand?
Of course.
I got a shirt for you, Brody.
My dog. I appreciate that,
That's
bro.
an
That's
XL.
Wolfpack.
That's Wolfpack and Jeezy Goat collab. Actually, this is my brand and Jeezy Goat is Jay's. We did a collab.
Ah, collab.
Yeah.
So it's just the Wolfpack.
Yeah, but you see the Wolfpack right here. Shoot,
hard.
y'all check that out.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate that, bro.
Of course.
Y'all see what it is, man. Wolfpack.
Wolfpack shorts also available. These my pants too, bro.
Hard.
Wolfpack pants.
If you don't know, now you know. You know the rest.
I see it. I'm tripping. It's right here.
I hate feel what I did. This world giving me tears. I work for more than tears. They struggle back my tears. I ain't never felt like this. I can need up places not like this. So I don't watch my wrist. I ain't never felt like this. I ain't never felt like this. I need those places not like this. I do watch my wrist.
She definitely said some good shit, bro. We can cheers to that. We
I
a drink,
I
Money.
had to hear what she had to say, bro. She tell it to me, bro. I do it.
Nah, that's facts. Damn. That's cold, man.
You want to hear the song though? Like legitly?
Yeah,
though?
connected to the speaker, bro. But you rap good, bro. You been rapping good since. Remember in Germany when you was sending me songs and shit?
Yeah.
Winning, I'm taking position. I'm throwing my rod, cause you niggas fishes. I fuck on your bitch and I won't give her digits. Fucking one time, that's an easy decision. I won't take her serious. They all on my dick, cause I know they be curious. But I ain't never grind like this. Count this money, about to break my wrist.